RV Rebel Watchers and YouTubers. Okay, so I decided to check out this turnpike. Is Missouri some kind of turnpike. Pike Pass. It's a Pike Pass. They take a, well, we have an I-Pass. They take a Pike Pass. So it's the turnpike for, I guess, from Oklahoma to Missouri, because I didn't cross over the Missouri state line, and it goes up to Joplin. Joplin's in Missouri, so I thought, okay, the map program said take the turnpike, it's the fastest way. So I usually don't take any tolls at all, but I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna try this thing.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So I paid $450 for 3 axles, my two on my car, my 1 axle on my camper, and minimum speed is 60 miles an hour on this turnpike. Speed limit for you drivers out there who don't know what limit means, that means the maximum speed you can drive is 75. That doesn't mean that you have to go 75. What you have to go is 60. You have to go 60. Otherwise, you shouldn't be on the turnpike. Okay? That's how it is on the rules of the road. If you have to do the minimum speed. The limit means you cannot go faster than. So that applies to all roadways. You cannot go more than the limit, but you can go less than the limit. But you have to do the minimum. So sometimes if you're pulling a trailer, you have to go less. Like in California, if you're pulling a trailer, majority of the places it's 55 miles an hour. You can't go faster than that. So I'm on this turnpike. I turn on the light so you can see me because it's dark. For those of you who want to see me, for those of you who say, we don't want to see you, we want to see the road, well, there's nothing to see except it's pitch black out here and all you'll see is taillights. So you have to see me right now. For all you friendly people who say those things to me. Everybody's got tolls now. People complain and say Florida's got a lot of tolls. I take I-75 all the way down in Florida, and last year I don't have to pay a toll. There's no tolls on I-75. But if you go to the other side, to 95, there's tolls. Yes. Fortunately, when I went up to to New York and Pennsylvania, when I was on my way up to Niagara Falls, they took my I-Pass from Illinois. There were like 16 states that recognized my Illinois I-Pass, which is great. I love it when that happens, because then it's just on my I-Pass. I don't have to worry about trying to pay money on, at a toll booth or something. So anyway, I'm talking to myself while I'm driving. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, you're gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car. And baby, I love you. Do 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 do. Yeah. Hey, how's everybody doing today? I'm doing great. Danny and I are cold. It is, right now it's 45 degrees. But that's pretty warm. It got pretty cold last night, down into the 30s here. I made it to Joplin. The popo was all over the place, especially in Missouri and in Oklahoma. I'm in St. Louis on Interstate 44, and in the distance, oops, although if it's not too shaky, you can see the St. Louis Arch. As I come around here up this ramp, you'll see the arches. Right in front of me. There it is. Ooh. Beautiful downtown St. Louis, the arches. The big bridges.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 291A onto I-55 North and I-64 East.
Right in front of me.
take the exit.
Oh, bumpy, 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 bumpy. I'm coming home. Welcome to Illinois. Just past the state line. Are you gonna have a bath? Are we gonna give you Tubby? Tubby, you gonna talk to me? Tubby, you gonna talk to me? You want a Tubby? What? You ready? How about Tubby?
Don't you think it's a little bit too cold out for me to be having a bath, Mom?
Danny, what do you think? How was the bath? Hey, you. Hey, you. How was the bath? Feel better? You're so clean now. No, sit. We dried you so you'd be nice and warm. Yes, we dried you and you're all fluffy. Hey. Are you mad at me? You. What? Hey, what? Yeah, look at you. You're all clean. Danny's had a bath. I had a bath. A shower. Just came from Planet Fitness. And I feel so much better. Danny feels so much better, I'm sure. It is like 4:30 here in Illinois, suburbs of Chicago, and it's traffic time. Yeah. Oh, feels so good to have my hair washed and clean. Still go to my storage locker and get a coat. I got my poncho on. I do have another jacket in my van. And it's gonna be okay, because right now my car says it's 53.
Yeah, I do have those.
Okay, good job, thank you. My granddaughter Stella's doing the video today. She's my assistant while I unbox this. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, everything is in nice packages.
Oh, that looks really nice.
Doesn't it look nice?
Yeah.
This is a UFO Stella. It's a UFO solar light. And I saw this at this meetup I was just at, and it was on sale for almost $100 off.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Yeah. So let's see. And then they got these air things in there. You can have those. When
I
you're ready.
really like popping
I know
them.
you like those.
Hey, a bunch of little boxes too.
Yeah, little boxes. We'll see what that is. But look at everything is in nice hearing bags.
Yeah, that looks.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it's really good, packaged good.
And then here is a zipper on the bag.
You can put anything in there.
Put all your stuff in there, all your little attachments from those other boxes.
Yeah.
This must be the legs on it.
Yeah, those are probably like the body of it. It's
Yeah.
probably the body.
So it's a solar light, and oh, I see how it goes. See at the end, it's like
There's a drawstring.
drawstring, yeah. And these are the legs,
Whoa.
and they're all wrapped real nice, the legs. And then I'm not going to put this together in my son's house because
No.
I don't need to use it, but I do need to charge it when
Yeah.
I
When you build it.
yeah. So, but it's nicely packaged for traveling. And then this is
The light part, like the top
the
part.
UFO part.
Yeah.
It looks like a UFO.
Yeah, it does.
I see it.
Oh, it is a UFO.
It looks like a UFO.
It looks like a UFO spaceship, but
Yeah,
no
doesn't it?
like big thing on it. Like no big circle.
It does. That's why they call it a UFO.
The light.
Let's see. Look at that. Now I can show it a little closer up. Nice bag. Okay. This is the underneath side. So when you put this together with the tripod, it'll be like this.
Oh.
Okay. Now, these lights right here are also solar, and they're magnetic. And then you can open this clip and use these and hang them somewhere.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And then, in addition, or you could put it on a magnetic pole This is,
Or like a fridge.
yeah, or on your fridge. Yeah. You could okay, and then this is a speaker.
Yeah.
It's a Bluetooth speaker.
So it can play music too?
You can pair your iPhone to this music once it's charged up. So all you have to do is leave it in the sun because here's the solar top.
Oh, that looks cool. The solar top.
Mm-hmm. And then it's on the tripod, and the tripod adjusts up and down, which I did show part of that previously in another video. You can look back at the video here that I'm going to show you in this corner. That one is, it says UFO at the Cocoa Fest 2021. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool. So thank you, Stella, for doing the video for me.
You're
And,
welcome.
Yeah, they're very cool. Now, these other two boxes over here have the accessories, you know, like the cords and stuff. And I didn't open those yet because this is the night before Thanksgiving, and my son and his wife, Michelle, Stella's mom and dad, are getting ready to put everything together for our great meal tomorrow.
Yeah.
They're gonna fry a turkey, and they're gonna bake a turkey and sweet
Which
potatoes
they
and mashed
usually
potatoes.
do.
What else?
It's our tradition.
It's our tradition, yeah.
We have lots of awesome traditions.
Yes, we do, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, let me see a minute. Turn
This-
this around, put you in the camera. This is Stella. Wait.
Hi.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome, Grandma.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye.
Do it again.
Bye, YouTubers and RV Rebel watchers.